Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Cole, otherwise known as Cole, coming at you with another video here for the channel. Now, this one's pretty awesome, guys. This is a brand new product I've never tried yet. It's actually new to the market. It's new to the community, the industry, in terms of gaming and streamers and that kind of thing. This is Stream Kandy. I know it's just a box, but if you guys have never heard of Stream Kandy, I'll go into detail and explain what they are once I show off the product. But basically, long story short, they currently sell chocolate. I know eventually they're going to get into other forms of candy, as in other forms of sweets and that kind of stuff. But right now they sell chocolate. They sell 4 different chocolate bars, and we're going to try each and every one of them out. It's pretty cool because on the front here, it does say protect from heat. And I know it's covered up by that sticker, but it actually says protect from heat, so that hopefully, can't really control it that much, but hopefully the mail carriers know that something in here cannot be in the heat, which obviously is chocolate, so it doesn't melt. Anyways, though, we got our handy dandy little knife, as always we do for unboxings. We're gonna open up this box and show off the packaging, because the packaging I've heard is pretty cool, the way they package this up, so that they don't melt in the mail. And then we'll get into the review. So here we go. So right away, we got some bubble wrap. First thing on the top of the box here. So it looks like one layer of bubble wrap, and then there's another layer of bubble wrap, which holds the Stream Kandy itself, the chocolate bars. I stood corrected a little bit. Okay, I was told before, maybe I was wrong. Maybe, yeah, I was probably wrong, or maybe I didn't get it shipped the same way, but I thought somebody said that they got their shipped with an ice pack, which mine didn't come with. I thought I was going to, but it didn't. That is totally fine. But I thought on Twitter that I seen they came with an ice pack. That is totally fine, because these do not seem melted at all or anything. We do have the 4 chocolate bars, guys, and I am going to show them off in the box one by one, and then tell you guys what the flavor is, and then obviously try them each out. So this one is their milk chocolate espresso. That's what this one is called. And it does have awesome nutritional facts on the back of each one, which is pretty cool. You guys can see on the bottom there, it does say milk chocolate espresso bar. This one right here is the white chocolate sprinkle. As you guys see, it's a white chocolate with little tiny pieces of like confetti candy in there, kind of infused in that white chocolate. And then here's the back for you guys if you'd like to read that at all. There on the bottom, it does say white chocolate rainbow sprinkle bar is the official name. This one is the peanut butter crunch bar. So if you guys aren't familiar with Stream Kandy, they do have 2 different variations of peanut butter chocolate bars. This is one of them. And there's the back with the nutritional facts if you guys want to check that out at all. This is the other peanut butter variation. This one is called peanut butter nutter butter bar, which is basically a peanut butter cookie bar. And then there's the nutritional facts on the back one more time for you guys to read if you would like to. Let's do the milk chocolate first here. Let's take a bite of this, and I will let you guys know what I think. So it is just one solid bar. There is no pre-cut or anything. So here we go, guys. First taste test, milk chocolate espresso. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Wow. So for those that don't know me too well, I'm a huge fan of chocolate. I've been a giant chocolate person ever since I was a kid. Anything chocolate flavor has always been my favorite. That is super rich flavor. I was gonna say it kind of reminds me of just a solid, you know, normal like Hershey bar. But honestly, I would prefer this over a Hershey bar. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the espresso part of it. This is super good because this does contain organic espresso. So I'm assuming it may give you a little bit of energy. Who knows? I think it does. But that is super good. Super good. Super rich chocolate flavor. Milk chocolate once again. Highly recommend that one right off the bat. Wow. So let's move on to the next one, the white chocolate sprinkle. You guys can see all the little confetti on there, front and back. Little confetti candy pieces on that. Here we go. That's very good. I am a big white chocolate fan as well as milk chocolate. Any chocolate is my favorite. That is super good. Super sweet white chocolate flavor. And then you get the crunch. You get the little tiny crunch with those little tiny confetti candy pieces that are infused in the chocolate bar. That is very good. Very, very good. A little rainbow, you know, sprinkle chunks in there that give you that nice crunch along with the white chocolate. That is very good. Absolutely delicious. Highly recommend that one as well. Let's move on to the next one. Now we're going to move on to the peanut butter chocolate bars here, guys. Now these two, I'm going to try to judge them. We're going to start off with the peanut butter crunch bar. Peanut butter crunch here, ladies and gentlemen. Peanut butter crunch. First ever taste test. Here we go. I don't even know if the other one's gonna be better than this because this is super good. Holy crap. Right away, definitely gives me a Reese's candy vibe, the chocolate peanut butter candy, the everyone's, you know, fan favorite peanut butter chocolate bar. That's super good. Definitely gives me Reese's vibes right away. I will say that there's not too much of a crunch. It is called peanut butter crunch. I definitely get the crunch, but I was expecting maybe a little bit more of a crunch. But it is super good. It definitely has a strong peanut butter taste. I would say the peanut butter definitely dominates the chocolate in this one a little bit. But if you're a peanut butter person, which I am as well, definitely for you. That one's super duper good. And I highly recommend that one as well. Last but not least here, ladies and gentlemen, we got the peanut butter cookie, otherwise known as the peanut butter nutter butter bar. So I think in my prediction, I'll probably like this one the best out of all four. That's kind of why I saved it for last. But obviously, we don't know yet until we try, so here we go. Let me get it open. Here is a closer look here at the peanut butter cookie. Nice little close-up for you guys. All right, guys, here we go. Last one, peanut butter cookie. Let's try this one out, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Here we go.
You took my only food! Now I'm gonna starve!
Okay, very, very good. I think I would definitely call that one my favorite out of all four that they have so far. And I think my prediction was definitely right. I think that one's definitely my favorite. Now, this one compared to the last one, the peanut butter crunch, the peanut butter cookie here, definitely has a sweeter taste to it. Almost like a sweeter peanut butter. I can definitely taste the cookie side of it. It's almost like a peanut butter mixed with almost like a cookie, like almost like a chocolate chip cookie taste is what I taste. I can definitely taste where the cookie side comes from. Now that I think about it, with the peanut butter crunch, the last one, the third one that I did, definitely had more of a crunch taste to it. I know I said that the crunch was kind of light, but it was definitely there. This one, definitely not as crunchy, definitely doesn't have that crunched feel to it. Definitely has a smoother bite, a smoother taste, a sweeter taste, and definitely I would call that one my favorite stream candy chocolate bar flavor as of right now. So yeah, guys, that's the review. So once again, Stream Candy, fairly new candy company in the industry, but they offer 4 chocolate bars currently. But if you guys are looking to buy a chocolate bar or multiple chocolate bars, these chocolate bars right now, if you guys are looking to purchase a chocolate bar for yourself or for a friend or family, one chocolate bar is $4.99 USD. If you guys are curious the pricing, if you would like a 4-pack of all the chocolate bars, or if you want a 4-pack of one flavor of the chocolate bars, that is going to be $15.99 USD. And they also sell them in 8-packs. So you can get an 8-pack variety pack or an 8-pack of your favorite chocolate bar, favorite flavor. And that's going to go for $29.99 USD. No, it seems a little pricey, but you guys got to think. The quality on these chocolate bars and the sizing is definitely worth the price. It's worth every penny. And on top of that, you guys can use code COLE at checkout at streamcandy.com to receive 5% off your order. Now that is a big saving on a very nice, rich, high quality chocolate bar. So make sure you guys check them out. Highly recommend them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the review. If you did, make sure to leave a like on the video. I would really appreciate it. Comment down below if you guys have any thoughts, questions, or concerns about Stream Candy or, you know, anything about the chocolate bars. Let me know. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And as always, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're so close to 1,000 subs here on YouTube, and I would really appreciate if you guys could leave a sub. But yeah, guys, once again, hopefully you enjoyed the review. Hopefully you enjoyed my little taste test on these chocolate bars. They're absolutely amazing. Please go check them out. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Much love.